Yeah, hi Kevin, the FT-840, which is all done now. As you see, the needle's not moving on receive or anything, which before it was sitting halfway up, which I've taken photographs of obviously. However, now that that's all solved, it's partly excuse that noise, it's to do with the head unit that's causing the problem. So what I've done is I've replaced, I'll take this round, stick a light on for you. I've replaced that resistor and these caps, right, because these caps would be too close to this resistor. Now I can touch this, you know, it's not burning hot. It's only lightly discoloured because it's just been warming up. That's just the paint on the resistor. So that's a 3 watt resistor that's in there. Now I know that he's written down here, what was it, a 30 watt resistor. Yeah, no. There's a 30 watt resistor, but absolutely massive in there, so it's obviously 3.0 or something. It's 3 watt anyway. What it was is 2 watts. It's actually a 2 watt resistor, which is the original component. Okay, so it's not 30 watts. So I've stuck a 3 watt in anyway to be going on with, and I've got my own set here at the minute. Stay on frequency. Okay, so it's all been realigned using the test set, and that's all done. And on here, you'll see I'm just using a 2, 3, 4, 5 audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's dead on, or as close as dead on as it gets with sideband. Okay, so it's all working fine, and obviously the receiver's fine as well, because that wasn't really a problem. Alright, so it's all done, it's on frequency, all been repaired, and hopefully you'll like that. Alright, I'll put the cases on now and get it back to you. Cheers mate, bye.